In a daring and covert operation, Israel targeted Hezbollah by embedding small amounts of explosive material within pagers ordered from Taiwan. These pagers, primarily the AR-924 model from Gold Apollo, were tampered with before reaching Lebanon. At 3:30 p.m. in Lebanon, a message seemingly from Hezbollah's leadership triggered the explosives, resulting in a devastating attack that killed at least 11 people and injured over 2,700. The explosive material, cleverly hidden next to the battery, was remotely detonated, causing the pagers to beep for several seconds before exploding. This sophisticated attack exploited Hezbollah's reliance on pagers after their leader, Hassan Nasrallah, restricted cell phone use due to surveillance concerns. Independent cybersecurity experts confirmed the strength and speed of the explosions were due to the modified pagers. This operation struck Hezbollah at their most vulnerable, disrupting their central means of communication. Stay tuned for more updates on this unfolding story and the implications it holds for regional security.